First, prepare the brackets and tools according to the screen size. Connect the back supports together. The back supports without positioning pins are used at the top, while the back supports with positioning pins are used in the middle and at the bottom. Slide the back bracket onto the positioning pins. Make sure the joints are aligned and flat, then tighten them with screws. Make sure the screws are fully tightened. After assembling the required number of back supports, place them in the designated area for later use. Now let's install the base brackets. Connect the two base brackets together. Make sure the joints are aligned and flat, then tighten the screws. If it's hard to line up the joints, you can also lay the base brackets flat on the ground and connect them there. After connecting enough base brackets, stand them up in front of the back supports. Attach the back support to the base bracket with the side that has the triangular notch facing it. Make sure the brackets line up evenly at the joint, then tighten the screws. Leave to block between every two back supports. After finishing the bracket assembly, place the counterweights onto the back supports. Now we can start installing the screens. Follow the wiring diagram and the numbers on the back of the cabinets, and place the panels one by one onto the top of the base bracket. Make sure each pair of panels has their left and right sides resting against the back supports. When the panels are nice and even, snap the quick locks between them into place. Use screws and connector plates to attach the panels to the back supports, then tighten them up. After finishing the first row, continue installing the second row of panels the same way as before. Each panel also has quick locks on the top and bottom. After snapping those in place, tighten the connector plates and screws. Once all the panels are installed, attach the crossbars to the top of the floor standing bracket to keep the whole setup steady. Secure the crossbars with screws. The screen will look like this once the assembly is finished. Next, connect each panel, one by one according to the wiring drawing. The top ports are for the power cables, and the bottom ports are for the network cables. Once all the panels are connected together, connect them to the control box as shown in the wiring drawing. After powering it on, you can start testing the screen.